What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back in Greenville 2. Greenville 2? Not Greenville 2. I'm thinking of car fighters. We are back in just Greenville. I have $52,000 and a Porsche because I got some Robux. So I got that. We're here with Mosier. How do I say that name? Mosier. He's a friend of Michael's. We are Brady and Colton. So we're about to ice cream shop because we are going to go have a car show. Colton has a Porsche as well. And then listen to the startup though. Listen to the startup. Alright, just make sure you roleplay too because we gotta use your blinkers and stuff. Yeah, you have fuel. The green bar. Well, for you at least, but I have like a... What? Yeah. The Porsche one's really good. It has really good handling. Colton is already at ice cream if I'm correct. We're going to the ice cream place. Michael, set your cruise control. Okay. That Ferrari is the one that likes chasing me. I'm only going 55. Like, I actually have to go speed limit. This Porsche is... I'm going a little bit faster because I just put my... Guys, should I go normal or sport right now? Which one? We're gonna go sport now. Yep. You can go. Alright, you can go. Ooh, we got a Mustang next to us. Oh god, there's a police car on the wrong side of the road. Jesus. Oh my god, why are there cars on the wrong side of the road today? Alright, you know what, just floor it. Go like 80 for now, I just want to get away from this. Yeah. Walk in. I can't. There's so many cars that are just like driving through me and stuff. I know. I don't like this red Hellcat. Dude, we can't go. Stop honking. Look at this traffic. Look at this. Just a flippin' Sonata just pulled up. What? Who's shooting? Okay, Colton, stop shooting. That's Colton. Colton, stop shooting. Why is everybody going to this grass? This car show thing isn't gonna work out. I just know it. Look at the way these people are parking right now. god, there's people running people off the road. This Porsche is so hard to control when you start like getting way wacky. Why do we have this many people following us right now, though? It's my question. I don't even think they know we're recording. Okay, this white car though has, every time I bump into him, he's like lagging. Yeah. And apparently his driving does, I can tell by his driving. No, I can't go through. There's too many people. Go, go, go. Sorry, we're not role-playing. We just have to get away from these people. They're so annoying. They keep following us around. Just floor it. Everybody meet at Fox Mountain. Yeah, go to Fox Mountain back. Go to the back of Fox Mountain. Like it goes 208 max. We gotta go to Fox Mountain. Bank. I'm in the back with my lights off. Fox Mountain Bank. Oh my god, it's a white car. Okay. Do we lose them all? We're on Fox Mountain. Alright. Wait, just pretend like we're just driving nicely, because I mean, they might have not recognized us. Well, that's what I'm trying to do, but his thing started not to work, but I fixed it for him. Yeah. Yeah. Go to the food store. Pretty sure that's the one. Well, I guess we have to do an episode 2 because this one kind of gone wrong. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Including more time out here to watch us. Hopefully you stay safe, stay awesome. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And also, Michael will almost be done customizing our merch in Roblox soon, right? Yeah, he has to figure out how to do it first, but you can watch a video always. So, yep. Thank you guys so much for watching and taking your time out of the day. Watch this. Stay safe, stay awesome. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And peace out. Colin goes flying through cars. Bye, guys. If it's gonna let me end, oh my god, it always does this to me. Alright, now we go. Okay, bye, guys.